Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, serving the company since 1981, and I want to help you out. I have an Arctic Fox 25Y. Yes, we still have inventory, but I wouldn't wait long because they're all going away, and replacements are far and few. Well, on this unit on the 25Y, we're going to start up in the bedroom. And you'll notice the nice cabinets up above. And then just below that, you've got a nice storage area for your glasses, etc. You've got electrical outlets. And on both sides, there's storage next to the bed with a very nice pillow top mattress. Coming down the passenger side, there's a nice closet area. And then behind that is the bathroom with a nice door closure. And then just across the way, you've got a shower and a gorgeous large sink, medicine cabinet. Moving back into the living part, just behind the bathroom, you're going to have a big Northwood double door refrigerator. And then, of course, your oven, your cooktop, 3 burners. It's got a little spot for your knives to go into, a microwave oven. And then you see the recessed sinks under the Corian countertop. And then just moving to the rear again, you're going to find a little hole in the countertop, which is where you dump your garbage. And then you can take it out. It's got a nice little L-shaped kitchen, great storage. There's a little storage unit that you swing open. In the very rear of the coach, you're going to have 2 reclining chairs with end tables on both sides with electrical outlets. And then moving over on the driver's side, a nice dinette. Quick release makes into a bed, and then headed to the front of the unit, you've got a gorgeous storage area and 2 drawers. Now take note, on the outside of that, there's another storage area about the same dimensions. Moving back up front, you've got your fireplace, so if you're plugged in, you don't have to use your propane. And then you have your entertainment center, DVD, sound system. And then above that is your solar panel. Yes, this does have a solar panel up on top already. You can put a bigger one, add a bigger one if you would like. If you have a question on this, give me a call at 541-554-9581 or look at the screen and you've got my email address.